Most people don't have a morning routine. They have a morning reaction. The alarm goes off, they scroll TikTok, hit snooze, and already feel behind. Yet they expect the day to feel calm, focused, productive. Let's change that. This is the modern morning routine built for real people. Not influencers with perfect apartments. Not billionaires with chefs and saunas. Just you, taking back control of your day in the first 60 minutes. Your day starts before your feet touch the ground. Here's what you don't do. Don't check your phone. Don't hit snooze. Don't scroll. Instead, open your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. Say, I'm in control today. Then get up and move to the light. Open a window, step outside if you can. You've just taken your first win. And that matters more than you think. You don't need a full workout. You need momentum. Try this. 30 jumping jacks, 10 push-ups, 1-minute stretch, 10 bodyweight squats, or dance for one song. Seriously, the goal isn't to build muscle, it's to build motion. Motion tells your brain, we're up, we're alive, we're in control. Don't skip this. 5 minutes of movement can shift your entire mood. Now head to the sink or shower. Cold water on your face, or take a full cold shower. It's uncomfortable and that's why it works. It trains you to do hard things first. When you conquer discomfort early, the rest of the day feels easier. This is your wake-up stack: movement, cold, breath, win. 4 steps, total shift. Now it's time to reset your mind. Sit down, breathe deeply. Open your notes app or journal. Write these 4 things. 1, 3 things you're grateful for. 2, a quick brain dump. Anything that's on your mind. 3, your top 3 goals for the day. 4, 1 sentence about how you want to feel. This clears the fog. It gives your day direction instead of distraction. Don't feed your mind junk in the morning. Feed it fuel. Choose 1. Read 5 to 10 pages of a powerful book. Listen to a podcast on mindset or business. Watch a short motivational video. Stack it with something else. Listen while stretching or reading while sipping water. The first thing you consume sets your tone. Make it something that sharpens you. Now that your brain is online, plan your day with clarity. Use the 3-3-3 rule. 3 big tasks, your main goals. 3 quick wins, small, easy tasks. 3 habits you'll track today. Example: big tasks, edit video, reply to client, workout. Quick wins: make bed, reply to 3 DMs, clean desk habits, no phone till 9 a.m., water 2 liters, 10-minute walk. You don't need 20 tasks, you need focus. Want to take your mornings to the next level? Add these. Get sunlight in your eyes within 30 minutes. Hydrate first, caffeine second. Use a simple habit tracker app. Put your phone in another room. Stack habits to save time. Stretch while listening to podcasts. Read while sipping water. It's not about perfection. It's about progress and consistency. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. You don't need a $1,000 planner. You just need a system that makes you feel alive, clear, and in control. If you follow even half of this routine, you'll notice real change. Not just in your productivity, but in how you feel. Subscribe for more. This is your time. Start by winning your morning. If this routine helped you rethink your mornings, don't stop here. Hit that like so more people can escape chaos mornings. Subscribe for weekly self-improvement drops. No fluff, just real systems. And if you want to skip the guesswork, listen. If you can't invest $5 into your own routine, bro, you're cooked. That's a burger, 1 iced coffee, or a system that makes you better every morning for life. Save up some bucks, do a few chores, skip the soda, whatever it takes. Because the people who take action, they're always ahead of the ones who don't. Grab the Morning Routine Blueprint, digital guide, exclusive Notion template, proven system links in the description. $5 to change your mornings, $0 to keep sleeping through life. $5 much great than 5 years of guessing. If you're broke, be resourceful. This will pay you back daily. $5 to get ahead of 90% of people. Easy win. Stop winging your mornings. Start dominating them. Most people spend $5 to escape life. You're spending $5 to build one. Let me know if you have any question. In the comment below, thanks for listening until the end. It will pay back.